Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe your first day at school. You should say where it was, what happened, who else was with you, and explain how you felt on that day.
I remember being nervous and excited about starting school for the first time. My parents accompanied me to the school, and we arrived early in the morning. We were greeted by the principal, who welcomed us to the school and directed us to my classroom. I remember feeling overwhelmed by the size of the school and the number of children around me. My parents introduced me to my teacher, who was warm and friendly, and I began to feel a little more at ease. The teacher began the day by introducing herself and asking each of us to share our names and a little bit about ourselves. We then played some games and did some icebreaker activities to help us get to know each other. After that, we spent some time going over the rules of the classroom and the school. During the day, we did some writing exercises and math problems. We also had a music lesson, which was a lot of fun. We sang some songs and learned some new ones. We also had a break time, during which we were allowed to play in the schoolyard. At the end of the day, my parents came to pick me up. I was tired but happy to have made it through my first day of school. I remember feeling proud of myself for being brave and excited to come back the next day. Looking back, I can see that my first day of school was a significant milestone in my life. It marked the beginning of my formal education and set me on a path of learning and discovery. While I was nervous at first, I quickly adjusted to my new environment and began to enjoy my school experience. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.